Hi guys, and welcome back. In today's video we are getting ready for Christmas. I love doing these type of videos. So for today we do have a fun agenda. I thought that we should open up my bins, one of them specifically unbox where I have all my Christmas mugs, because I need to be drinking coffee out of my Christmas mugs already. I do. Also, if you didn't see my recent video, it was me decorating my bedroom. I gave it a nice gingerbread bed and breakfast type of bedroom, and it came out so nice and cozy. Now after the mugs, I'm just gonna be adding them here to this piece of furniture, which comes in handy because once I start decorating my hot cocoa bar and the kitchen, it does get chaotic with all these bins, and I just want it ready. You know, it makes sense. Now, another thing, I want to get out my Christmas tree. Yes, we are not gonna decorate the tree today, but we're gonna get it all nice and flocked and have it ready, so when we do decorate my tree, it's as simple, it's easy. And then afterwards, I want to get ready and take you guys to Target and see what they have for Christmas. And then I also want to get some cookies, so when we do bake cookies here, I have them already, and it's faster, it's easier. You know, let's make life a little easier today. So get ready because we're gonna have lots of fun together. So let me start unboxing the Christmas mugs. I can't wait to see them. It's like a Christmas gift all over again. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get out my mugs and put them away because it just makes it. Let me show you guys how I have it here in this bin. Okay, so this is how I have my mugs. I know it's kind of crazy because I have like 2 pillows just so they don't rock back and forth, but I do want to invest in those what is it, those containers where you specifically add mugs. But the thing is, some mugs are not the same shape. Like this one's really big. How pretty though. I think I got this one 2 years ago. So let's see, I did get 2 out the other day just because I did decorate my room like I mentioned, and I added some gingerbread mugs there. But let's open these up. It's like Christmas all over again. You know, you get excited when you see your mugs or your decor again. How cute. Yeah, I love this one too. This is too cute. Okay guys, I don't need any more mugs. I think this is my intervention in this video. This is enough. Some of them are actually gifted. Last year I picked up this one actually. Well, this one was a gift to myself, I guess, but this one, I really wanted it and I think it's so cute. Can't wait to use it. And then some of them just mean so much to me. They have a sentimental reason. Favorite mug out of all, it's this one right here. Let me move this. This have a holly jolly Christmas. I think this is so precious. I like the little holly in there. I always mention this mug, but this was the mug where me and my husband first got our first apartment. So this one means so much to me and I just love it. Very classic and beautiful. And then the rest is mainly for fun. Like I really like this elf one. This one's so cute, especially if I watch the movie Elf with this one. It'll be such a great time. So let's open this Christmas tree. You guys have seen it in the previous years if you guys have been following me for quite some time, and you guys know I love it. It is from Target from 2018. It's pretty old. The lights don't even work, so I have to add string lights to it, but I just want it ready, flocked ready, so when I do decorate it, it's ready and it's easy. Ooh, ain't she a beauty? Look at her, all green and whatever. She's so cute. Let's pull her out and let's start fluffing. I love my tree. It's nice and flocked or fluff, whatever the term is. But I am gonna get ready right now. We're gonna go to Target later today. I'll probably put the lights on, but let's get ready. I just got ready, so I did my makeup. I took a shower, washed my hair, and I got a little bit ready. I'm wearing my oversized jacket right now. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it because it's super hot, and I'm sad because it's my favorite jacket. It's my favorite. This weather needs to get it together. It's super hot. But I wanted to share something with you guys. Now, you guys know I've been into eyewear lately. I wanted to talk about FYTOO today. If you guys haven't heard of FYTOO, they are an eyewear company, and I'm gonna unbox and show you guys. This is how it came in. I already opened it, but I want to share. Let's open them. Each of them come in these little slots. Now, I got 2 in prescriptions, and then I got 3 in regular, 2 in sunglasses, and 1 in clear. So I don't know if that makes any sense, but these right here, these are the Candida, and I think these are so precious. I really do love these, and I feel like these are the ones that are perfect for prescription. But then, like, if you want to play dress up or you just want to wear them for your blue light blocking, perfect. They're gonna go with any outfit. I approve. Now, these right here, they are the Coleridge. I hope I'm saying that correct. Very nice. They're big. Like I said, glasses, they make a statement. They make your outfits pop. I love it. Ooh, I love these. See, I think certain glasses go with certain outfits, but I think this is cute. I could probably even wear this today, because I'm gonna wear a pair today. Now, these are the Aerilithia, but these are so cute. I thought of Christmas, but guys, this is giving Detective Jasmine. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. I think they're actually perfect more for sunny days though. Really sunny days. Now, I am gonna take off my contacts because I do wear contacts, and I'm gonna try on my prescription ones. When I saw these, I thought they were so cute, retro, different. These are called the Gracies, and they have different print. I think they have like 2 different ones, so let's try them on. They are, oh my gosh, they are cute. My eyes look smaller though, but it's okay. Yeah, I really love these. I'm so glad I got these. Very different from my style. I love dressing up. This one is called the Felicity, and these are a simple glasses. Pretty pink, gold. Let's see. Yep, I love these 2. They're so different, pretty. I don't even know which ones to wear today. Now, with these, I'm gonna have everything linked. You guys know I leave the details there. I'm also gonna give a discount code, which is Jasmine, so you guys could get 20% off, and they're gonna have a deal where their frames start at $1. Thank you so much, FYTOO, with collabing with me in this video. Now let's go run those Christmas errands that we need to do. Okay, I'm walking into Target. Look at these little cups, these mugs, the Christmas tree. They have a Christmas tree. They have this little cutie right here. But look at this one. It's all the way in the back. Let me grab it. This cute little reindeer, little deer. They also have these plates right here. These are $5 each, but look at the bowl. I really like the bowl. And then they have these dish towels and pop holders. I like this one. They have a tree one and a peppermint swirl one. They have more mugs here, but look at this gingerbread one. So cute. And these are $3. And they even have the marshmallow one. They also have these candles up here. Look at this Christmas tree one. This one's so cute. Let me see if it smells good. Oh, it smells really good. Let's see how much these are. $3. Remember when these used to be $1? Sparkling snowflakes. So cute. I like how it's in a star shape. Wow, the amount of Christmas socks they have. Okay, one that grabbed my attention is this gingerbread one, of course. But then this dog one is so cute. And Dalmatian one. They have a Christmas truck one, the red truck, and I think this is a bear. That one's so cute. They have Santa Claus. These fuzzy slippers are $10. I think that's a great deal. I kind of like this pink and red one. It gives Christmas, it gives Valentine's, and then they have this brown and with the white bows, this cream color one, and this blush pink one. And they also have the gingerbread slippers. These are so cute. These are $18, not $22. And then they have these two. So much stuff, guys. I'm excited. I can't wait to pull out my pajamas and get cozy for Christmas. Look at these pillows, they are gorgeous. I love the Christmas tree one, and then I also like this Merry Christmas one. This flannel one is so pretty, the plaid one. And the artwork, of course, is so gorgeous. And the blankets. Who am I kidding? I love the whole thing. These candles, I want to smell them. I feel like I'm gonna love all of them. Okay, we said no mugs, but it doesn't hurt to look. So let's look, because I saw one that I really like. Oh, look at this one. It's so pretty and gorgeous. I love it. But I'm just looking. I'm not gonna take anything. They also have this Santa Claus one. This one is super cute. And they have this North Pole one. They also have this one right here, this plaid one. This one's so cute. I do like the stackable mugs, the Merry Christmas ones. These are stinking cute. And they have this printed one. Look at the set. It's a want, not a need, so no. And then look at the teapots. I have the dark green one. You guys have seen it in a lot of my previous videos, but they have a cream color one and a brown one. They're so pretty. I feel like the cream color one, you can match it with any of your decor. And then look at these canisters. They're so cute. This is what I came here for, the cookies. Okay, I am taking the cookies. Look, they even have Grinch ones. That is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna take this one for sure. This one's a must. Okay, and then I decided I am gonna go with this candy cane one, the sugar cookie one. So let's put this one in the cart as well. For creamer, I'm gonna go with this sugar cookie latte one, but it's the almond and oat milk one. Let's put this one in the cart. Then I usually make my own foam, but I am gonna take this peppermint one because if I do a hot cocoa, I do want peppermint. They also have the Home Alone ones. Look at, let me just show you the Delight ones. They have this one, how cute. And then they also have this one, peppermint mocha and the frosted sugar cookie. Tell me they have it. No, they don't. I wish they had the peppermint mocha, but with the oat milk one. But they have this one. Alright, so I just left Target while I'm in the parking lot. I wanted to share what I got. I mean, you saw what's on my cart. Do I have to really repeat it? Yes, I do. So I got the sugar cookie latte creamer. Can't wait. Marshmallows for my hot cocoa bar. And then I got some Biscoff cookies to fill up in one of my glass jars for Christmas in the hot cocoa bar. Everything for the hot cocoa bar. And then I got the peppermint whipped cream. I actually want to try it already. We must wait. And then I got some heavy whipping cream. I use this for sometimes for pastas or for foam when I do like my lattes. And then I got my cookies, which I'm so excited because you guys know we love to bake here in this channel. But honestly, I think I am gonna bake something different, but I am gonna do, remember I told you guys I'm gonna do Mexican punch, which is ponche. I can't wait. I've been thinking about it nonstop. Got candy cane. But did you see how they did a peanuts one? They know what's up. But that's it. It came out to a total of, I don't know, where's my receipt? I'm so bad at holding receipts. I don't know where my receipt's at.